Science and technology is the brain of mankind, and everything mankind has produced plays a vital role in making our life easy and comfortable. Technology took us to the extent of inventing many new things which mankind didn't even imagine of. One of the most greatest and unique invention of mankind is electricity, without which life is unimaginable today. As we said earlier, electricity is an inevitable factor, and our nation holds the second position in the consumption of electricity next to United States and China.
The electricity charged for commercial purposes is higher than domestic purposes. Sometimes, small industrialists and entrepreneurs misuse domestic connections for industrial purposes. This leads to a loss of revenue for the electricity department. We have come out with a device that will restrict the misuse of electricity from domestic connections for industrial purposes. Let us see how. The maximum demand controller controls a load which is being used in a domestic connection. Suppose a household has a 3-phase connection and the maximum load are allowed in 5 kilowatts. If the domestic connection is used to run a machine, then the consumption of electricity will be more than 5 kilowatts. This device of ours is structured to switch off 2 phases of current once the limit exceeds.
This is our prototype model. We have used a PIC microcontroller, a 4-channel relay, LCD monitor and LED driver. And now let us consider this as a household. Using the keypad, I am fixing the electricity limit. I am fixing the electricity limit as 103 units. And the PIC microcontroller receives this command and controls the usage. In this model, I am using a potential meter to increase the consumption of electricity. The LCD display will display the volume of electricity used. Once the limit crosses, 2 phases will be cut off. The LCD display will warn the user that the electricity usage is crossing the limit. This gives an option to the user to switch off the electricity. If he fails to switch off, the current will automatically get cut. So this device can be used for other purposes as well. To control the usage of free current for agricultural purposes, it is quite common that the free current given for agricultural purposes is misused for domestic purposes. This device will be able to control this as well.
So this device can be used for other purposes as well. For example, the free current given to agricultural sector is used for domestical purposes also, and we can stop this also.